No, 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 no. Don't. No. Uy. Ah, no. Walang hiya ka. Hello, everybody. I'm dressed again. Medyo napapadalas yung paglabas-labas natin kasi if you watch my vlog, I already mentioned that our friend from Hong Kong is here. So, automatic na kasi yun pag andito sila. Lagi kaming lumalabas. So, today, Friday, inimbitahan kami ng friend ng asawa ko, friend din ng best friend ng asawa ko. Tapos, client din siya ng asawa ko. Baga, business related. Ito yung ano natin, aurahan natin. This is another Uniqlo number and different color. Nag-order ako ng backup kasi natakot ako baka mag-discontinue sila. The reason why I love this stuff. It has built-in bra. Yeah, and the trousers is from Abercrombie. Doon hindi niyo ako makita. Ayan, trousers. Going out for a bit to buy flowers. Also, I'm going to donate this one charity. Get a flower, drop this to the charity. I just received a text from my son that he's not coming for dinner tonight. Mag-take away na lang daw sila. Dalawa sila ng kapatid niya. Anti-social kasi yung anak ko eh. Ano siya ba? Introvert yung anak kong lalaki. Ano lang yun? Work, bahay, gym, work, and then uwi again sa bahay. Sabihin nyo sa akin kung okay ba yung ano yung sounds ba kasi I'm using the microphone. Sana hindi siya puno. Ay, ang bigat pala. Oh my God. That's the way. Na-awkward ako mag-vlog dito sa area namin kasi yung mga tao dito parang wala pa silang alam when it's come to vlogging. Strangers pa rin sa kanila. Tinitingnan nila ako, guys. Dito na nga ako dumaan sa car park para mag-vlog ako. Marami pa rin tao. Sige, mamaya na lang. I'm here at Mark Spencer. Hindi ko alam anong paborito niya ng bulaklak. Iba dito kasi lanta na eh. How about this one? It's a nice dish. I don't know what to get. I'm going to a neighbor dinner tonight, so I don't know what to get her.
Oh, that's nice. That's a lovely present.
Because flowers die, you know.
So they do, yes.
So I thought this one second gift.
And of course you can always use it again.
Yeah, second gift that one.
That's lovely. No, I think that's lovely.
Yeah, you think so?
People like that.
Oh, thank you so much. Busy yung village kasi kalalabas lang ng mga bata sa school. Everybody's adore my plant. Apparently, it's a good choice. Ang bigat pala nito, guys. Sobrang bigat. Kapala na ng mukha. Nagtingin na sila sa akin. Anyway, let's do a thumbnail. Oh. Yeah. Ang bigat niya, guys. The struggle. Anyway, I look at the flower. Nakita nyo naman. The reason why I did not get it, the flowers, even, kasi marami. Anta na siya. Hindi na siya fresh. Also, yung price, guys, alam nyo naman yung pricing ng Mark Spencer. It's not cheap, you know. 20 pound for a bouquet. Hindi rin siya maglalas, diba? So, I decided to have this instead. At least kahit papano, maalagaan niya to hanggang kailan niya gusto. Saka narinig nyo, guys, approve siya nung the elderly. She's so kind. She's so nice. She was actually first person to compliment. Oh, that's a lovely plant. I feel guilty kasi parang gusto ko siyang regaluhan. It's a lovely plant. Oh, sabi niya pa. Tingnan nyo, guys. Sobrang puno. Ang bigat. Kailangan ng palitan. Grabe ang puno, kaya pala. Tabingi naman kayo. So, I am between cleaning my house and washing as well. So, I have no washing to do na. Aalis kami dito mga 6:15 kasi 6:30 yung yung invite. So that's that. Filter is changed. House is clean. All I need to do is myself and the plant and then go. Meron pala akong ipakita sa inyo, guys. Ito, masasabi ko talaga na 1000% you need this on your house. Nag-try ako ng mga mas mahal na brand sa Tesco to clean the lime scale on the, alam nyo yung thermos at saka yung mga kettles. Yung mga stain, anything stain, basahin nyo lang yung instructions. Powder form po ito. Sabi dito, budburan nyo lang, buhusan ng mainit na tubig. Pag lumamig na yung tubig na binuhos nyo, balikan nyo, hindi nyo na kailangan magkuskus. And also, I'm going to show you the clips. Look at that. I forgot to show you the before, but trust me, this is black. This is the after cleaning. Amazing. As in, magic talaga. Asawa ko at saka yung anak ko kasi nagbabaon sila ng coffee. Over time, nangingitim yun. Although, ginuhugasan ko siya araw-araw. Pero syempre, yung hindi pa rin siya maano kasi hindi mo nga siya madukot. Ito, promise, hindi kayo magsisisi. You need to get it, guys. Amazon lang to. Hindi siya ganun kamahalan. Bought it on my own money. And when I said get it, you need this in your house. 1000%. Sabi nila, diba, there's no such a thing as magic? Oh, there is. Ito na yun. Ayan. You and Ross, apparently.
I know, Ross texted me.
What are you gonna get?
None of your business.
No. It's none of my business.
None of your business.
Sorry, my daughter interrupted me. Ayaw ko magdala ng bag, pero gusto kong magdala para sa mobile ko. Since bahay lang naman, tapos lalakarin lang namin, just down the hill. Gusto ko maging comfortable, you know, when I feel a little bit cold. So, ito yung idea ko na to give me a little bit of comfort without feeling cold. So, by the way, guys, Amazon lang to. Yan ang outfit na natin. So we are ready to go. What? That's brand new?
Yes, they are brand new. Joseph Sobel. Got them at Costco.
It's so shiny.
Oh, dear.
It's pouring. What's the rain song in Scotland, darling?
Well, we like Glasgow.
Oh, so
we like to go to the
Louise's family
They
have
play
got
Scots.
no.
Yeah, he's
So it's a
really
nice
handsome.
one.
How old is
I
he?
keep that.
How old is he?
That's interesting.
30.
Ah,
Yes, I have.
still young.
When was
Is it actually one?
Oh, he's
that was in America.
Whereas
Oh, you know what? I love America.
That's a,
Ah, he's a handsome lad. The only one.
wow, very
Ah.
smart. I've got a stepdaughter as well, Sarah, who's a couple of years older.
Okay.
And we were always very close, but she's sort of
Ah, he's so
distanced herself a
handsome.
wee bit. Very psycho as well.
one part of the
This is me bring with me.
Hi. So there's scallops, prawns, boyfriend. Because Louisa went. Hi. So they knew each other.
Take care family.
And you're
Oh.
going
Oh, okay, okay.
We're coming back to pick you up. I will go
Oh, I
in
see,
and
I
pick
see.
them up.
Together, I got
So anyway, so
traveling
all
to
these
Malaysia, to Japan,
winter
to
night,
to China, to Vietnam, for countdown for New Year.
I'm
So
nice
this
myself,
year,
you know.
last year when Ross and
It's to teach you.
That's what I call a cheese board.
I know there.
It's like, so what's the point of the picture?
Just back home from the dinner and I'm still hungry. But the thing is, my son bought me McDonald's, so it's now 11:09 and my son went out to get McDonald's. Kasi sabi ko, gutom pa ako. Dahil hindi ako nabusog doon, guys. Ako kasi ang nagluto. Yung parang Korean style ba? Yung ikaw magluto-luto. Dahil yung asawa ko gutom, siya yung pinaglutuan ko muna, binusog ko muna. Pero niluto ko talaga lahat para sa everyone else. Kasi inom sila ng inom. Ganun kasi dito guys, mga Scottish. Puro sila inom. Yung kain, ako kasi kain. So ang nagawa dahil inom sila ng inom, it end up ako ang nagluto. So anyway, I just had my skincare. I get my pajama. Everybody is in the bed na. Lahat na sila tulog. Init ko lang yung McDonald's. Good night. Good morning, guys. Katul. I'm just showing you how long my hair is. Pero ayan, nangangati talaga ako. So I've always have, literally I just woke up kasi late kami kagabi. Ang ganda no, pag may eyebrow ka, pag gising mo. Katulagi siya guys. You see that? Namumula ako. I just never like my hair down. This is why I like my hair up. Ngayon, ginising ako ng yung tiyan ko ba, yung naghihingi ng pagkain. So, kape tayo. Kape with, I have this new obsession of Japanese bun from Mark Spencer. Pero inubos nila, binaon nila. I was looking forward pa man din.
chicken pie.
Hello guys, I am really busy recently. And today, what's new? Still busy. I'm preparing dinner. I'm hoping that this dinner, it will last till tomorrow, so it saved me cooking again the next day. This one is stick pie, which is I'm going to make pastry later on, and my own rosemary potato. I'm going to put a cheese on top of it and more cream. This one for my pancit. I'm making pancit, which is noodles, pancit noodles. Early on, I was cooking this one. It's like pork ribs. Again, another invento. Masarap naman. I already had this one for my lunch. This is the leftover for me tomorrow. And here it is, our finished product. Hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo guys kasi ang sobrang gulo ng kusina ko. Hindi na ako magkanda o gaga. Yung maingay guys, yung oven ko yung patapon na. How are you? Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon, as in, tinamad talaga ako. At saka ang daming nangyayari. Yung mama ko na hospital twice. Tapos, yung kaibigan ko naman dito sa UK, yung asawa niya just passed away. Anyway guys, sharing with you my first ever, it's called a dancing egg. Hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo what's the process of cooking. Kasi ang idea ko, lulutuin ko siya para matikman ko kung pasado ba siya. Para naman siyang successful kasi dancing ego, sumasayaw pa naman. Next time, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano siya lutuin. I think this recipe is like Chinese recipe, if I'm not mistaken. Nakita ko lang to sa TikTok, guys. Kinopya ko lang. I remember when I was in Hong Kong, natikman ko to. Akala ko tofu. Pero ganito talaga siya. Tapos masarap. And then, all of a sudden, for some reason, dumaan siya sa TikTok. So I thought, oh my God, that's the one. So, eto, mainit pa siya. Kita nyo, guys. Ayan o, sumasayaw-sayaw pa. Napakadali lang nitong lutuin. But here it is. See? Lapit. Gusto ko na siyang tikman habang mainit pa. Pero ayaw ko siyang sirain. Gusto ko ang unang titikim, yung anak kong bunso. I'm sure parating na yun, malapit na. It's quite windy outside. And I want to know if this microphone I'm using is working. Hi everyone. I want to tell you guys, I'm not in, what you call that? Mentally ano ba? Okay. Kasi ang daming nangyayari. My mom is in the hospital and then basta parang sunod-sunod ang mga pangyayari. Muntik pa tayong masagasaan, guys. Papasilong muna ako and again I want to try this microphone outside. Really windy. If this microphone is working okay, and I guess I'm just wanna end this vlog for now and then clear my mental state as well, because there's so much going on right now in the family matter. Yeah, too many. It's hard to put everything in. Yung parang sunod-sunod yung mga nangyayari baga. Yung kaibigan ko dito sa UK, we're not close but we have, you know, we've been friends for so many years, and you know, like her husband just passed away healthy. In fact, it's just a normal day. He went to the gym, chatted, and then apparently they sat down, and then all of a sudden that's what's it. Just completely like shocked. She was shocked. They were sitting in the couch, and then all of a sudden just like that. And to the fact that he just went to the gym, it's just a normal day for them like everybody else, you know, like you relax, you have your dinner, you went to the gym and come back in house to, you know, like normal couple chat, watch telly. Oh my God, there's a wasp. No, don't. No, don't come to me. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to end this vlog here. Tomorrow I have also our Hong Kong friends. Well, only one kasi yung husband niya yata merong boys getaway somewhere, and going down to Mark Spencer to get something what I can offer for her to eat. Because although she's Chinese, she eats Chinese food, but she also has like this limited, my God, this was not no, and she also have like a little bit strict diet. Walang hiya ka.